Now we are a politician. The moment you are a politician, we will treat your wife also as a politician until you start talking about Samira Baomia. Now, Hopeson Adorye fresh Sabato no. Asema ye ni yawa asem no nyina mo ni se. Sabato akoka e friend saying gifty Adorye asem. Na obisa Sabato say, aden na onu Sabato ewo confidence any temerity eka ni yire aye gifty Adorye asem. Na gifty Adorye no oye politician ana. Yentie ni ye o si gifty Adorye no oye politician ana. And he believes say who a politician, it does not make your wife automatically a politician. That is Hopeson Adorye logic, no. Say we a politician, we a bema. It does not mean say we a politician. The same way, maybe so. Say bema a president. Does that make the woman also a president? Say bema a vice president. Does that make the wife also a vice president? Does the president's wife receive salary from the state? Does the vice president's wife receive salary from the state? Okay, we'll go into all those. Now, Hopeson Adorye is about to say, the only reason why Hopeson Adorye wants to show Sabato wicked, and I say, Okunu, and I say, say, on be public, but you will go to, if anything, and all those things. And he say, it's because Sabato has spoken about the wife who is a woman. Nire no. So yeah, oba nyesa. Now Hopeson Adorye feels say, ewa Ghana hano. The wife is the one is what is most precious to Onu Hopeson Adorye. To the extent say, obi bia obe kan ire wansem bia no. He does not mind taking his phone to call you. Say quite time Paucho, don't be mischievous with Paucho. He Hopeson Adorye will take his phone. It was a power tap you where the me post me kasabu. And power tap here. Let's power tap. Let's power tap. Now in your program prefer. And power tap. Yes. Right. Hopeson Adorye feel say. I want we are singing now abano. Gifty. Adorye your bar when who be there. Gifty Adorye no. Or your bar when who be there. And nobody has the right to speak about Gifty Adorye. Nobody has the right to insult Gifty Adorye. And Gifty Adorye is a woman. For that matter. But Hopeson Adorye believes, say, putting Gifty Adorye aside, no. Oba bia wa we asi we bia no. Onu Hopeson Adorye has the right to say anything he wants about the people, the ladies. Anybody at all, except Gifty Adorye. And Hopeson Adorye feels say he can refer to Samira Baomia as a prostitute. He can refer to Samira Baomia as somebody who sleeps around. But nobody has the right to say, Nire Gifty Adorye, she's the same thing that he's accusing other people of. So he takes his phone and calls a young guy and is threatening. But for the records, first thing first, me say, Hopeson Adorye Votarian. I've said this in a video and I'm repeating it here. Say Hopeson Adorye onye Votarian. And please leave Volta out of this thing. Before you talk about somebody's origin, no, go and find out about where the person is coming from. Or a Togolese is coming from Togo. He can trace his ancestry to Togo. But let's even leave those things. You see, I'm a Votarian, but let me clarify as a material. Yeah, Votarians, no. Any Busuma voter region, how there is a reason why voter gods and stuff are popular. Ghana, and even the whole West Africa and the world. There is a good reason for that. There is a reason. Eyamuti Nogokpo and the others are. There is a reason why. I'm blocking guy when I'm to us. There is a good reason why our gods in Volta region are popular and are revered and are feared. It is because omunye basa basa. Our gods in Volta region. I'm a Christian, but I can tell you this for free. Say the gods we have in Volta region. Omunye basa basa. If you have not done anything wrong, if you have not offended somebody, there is no way the person can take you to Volta region and then the gods of Volta region will say, oh, we just need blood. We come to kill you. I can tell you that for free. Uko Nugupua. And I know Nugupu very well. Southern Volta. When you go there, if your matter is not right, they will tell you directly that your matter is not right. In fact, why was Samira right? Ground me Konogopo. You are scared of going there. So what's Samira right? You are scared of entering the shrine, the way to Nogopo. You cannot go there. If something of yours is stolen, and you know that it has been stolen, you have searched for it, you cannot find, and you know that it is not you yourself that has given that thing to somebody and you have forgotten about it. That is how Nogopo operates. If you go there and it is you yourself, it will not go and clean that person. It is you yourself that you will die. So when I hear the people like Hopeson Adorye and co, I'm going to do something, I am from Volta region, and I think this year, the people who are not in MPP, who are in NDC and Afrafranto, who are from Volta region, they have just decided to misbehave this year, to disgrace all of us. And it's small thing I'll go to my spirit. I'll go to my spirit. I'll go to the shrine, whatever. Please, no one should be afraid. Anybody that has spoken about somebody's wife before, if you speak about that person's wife, it won't do you anything. Which God operates like that? You can come and insult somebody's wife without giving evidence. And when they talk about yours, you say you are going to kill somebody. So don't be scared. Because me, I saw my brother Sabato in the afternoon and was like, I said, shaking a crab anymore. I said, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Busumbia nye basa basa about our region. You've gone to a program. You've gone to a program. You are greeting people. Somebody exchanged pleasantries with you. She did not extend her hand to you. Unya nipa boninia. Hopeson Adorye. Unya nipa boninia. Will you wake up the next morning, go and sit on TV, and you'll be slandering the person, saying, "Nipa no free be oko benin no." Ni I catch and say, "Oh, who Hopeson Adorye? She should not shake you." Wuni neko benin no. Wuni Samira Baumia neko benin no. And when they come and talk about your wife, you are calling people and threatening. Let's listen to Hopeson Adorye again. Saying, "Oh no, Hopeson Adorye, why am I?"
Me this time, me this time, what come here? Me mama respond. Me no kase me taking it by surprise.
Oh say no, because say me no kase no nam kwan so eko baby. Because say onene kase, but he couldn't say it, he couldn't finish it because on himself Jandro. Please listen again, listen carefully.
Me this time, what come here? Me mama respond. Me taking it by surprise.
Have you seen it? Say now person can say onene kasano on am kwan so eko baby. But it is a lie because Onu Hopeson Adorye him say you cannot come to Volta region here to any shrine, even the bad shrines, because shrine require good ni bad. even the bad ones. You cannot go there and go and say you are killing somebody for no reason. And there is no reason indeed. Because Samira Baomia, okay, has not done anything to you. One beside she. But you just hate this lady. Meanwhile, this lady, 2020, she was the one who came to Ponkatamasu to come and campaign for you. And you were standing there like a peacock. It was a woman in peacock. You were standing like a peacock. But because of bitterness, Samira Baomia, is she the one who gave you employment at airport? And is she the one who sacked you? Why? And you not let the woman rest. You insult the husband and you want the wife too. And you say your wife, then no one should insult your wife. No one should insult your wife because our 3 buttocks. Other women have 2 buttocks. And yes, sir. Let's stop this nonsense. And stop disgracing voter region. Patrol, confirm more NDC, Muni, other this is how many voters. No? Stop disgracing voter region. You have done, sir. Now everything bad in this country, they just say of revolter. Or nipa bia or misbehaving bia, it's of revolter. That's what you both did now. Last time when Ejaku Abuna was misbehaving, they said he's coming from voter region. Because some of our people are misbehaving too much. They are misbehaving too much. Enya sema wow gospel musician. Your wife is a gospel musician. Every small thing, I'm going to shrine. Every small thing, I'm going to shrine. And you are proud of yourself. Una wuni. Mina miye Hopeson Adorye. We have not seen your type before. Politics na yeye. When did that become politics? This politics we are practicing. Politics that we are practicing. We all learnt it from foreigners. I mean our colonial masters. US, UK, France, Germany and the others. When have you ever heard say, you go and read about Donald Trump's wife. Go and read about Donald Trump's wife. When have you ever heard say opposition member be just gets up and is just using Donald Trump's wife's past and stuff to talk about her anyhow? Politics. Now we are a politician. The moment you are a politician, we will treat your wife also as a politician until you stop talking about Samira Baomia. I don't know only busianfo. Samira Baomia no only busianfo. She doesn't have loved ones. She doesn't have people who care about her. She doesn't have people who feel sad when you insult her. What nonsense. Now, the only reason why I even brought Honorable Kennedy picture combined with Hopeson Adorye is because, you see, when we were going for the thank you tour, we were told, say, by Honorable Kennedy that people like Hopeson Adorye, we should allow them to come back into MPP. That is what Honorable Kennedy was telling us when we were going for the thank you tour. That people like Hopeson Adorye should be brought back to the MPP because it is there that we have not dealt with them well. C'est parti no oni omo endini ye. Hopeson Adorye, with all the things he's doing, the way he has badmouthed people, MPP for the way he has badmouthed us. Teresa, it is saying, lied about us, said things that were not true, insulted women in the party, women who are trying hard. You want us to bring those people back into the party. That's unity. Where are my moderators? That unity. These are not people who want unity. And these are not people who deserve unity. They don't. They don't. Why? Let's listen to the tape one more time and let's move to something else now. Hopeson Adorye can say, "Madenya, or coin so or baby, or infa, Where do you know that you are going, Masa? I have stayed in Ghana. I've stayed in Togo. Okay, I've stayed in Nigeria. I've stayed in France. Okay, in Togo, Togo Alome. There is a big market where they sell only shrine stuff and gods. If you want a wild animal, a tino, when you go to that market, a market too, big market, Alome, capital town. Now you buy all those things from. Say the way you go to market and you go and buy tomatoes and stuff, you can go there, you go and buy things that you use in the shrine. I stayed there. I've seen all those things. I'm a Voltarian. I'm a Vedome. I come from Ho, a royal family for that matter. And I can tell you that Hopeson Adorye will never ever step into any shrine in Volta region or Togo or Benin, and the shrine will respond to him. Take it from me. Take it from me. No shrine will respond to him. Because what you have done to somebody, you don't have a cause, a just cause to say it shouldn't be done to you. It's like you are slapping somebody, telling the person that the person doesn't have the right to slap you back when the person also has hands. Have you heard some before? So please, I'm telling you, sir, if you feel like owning your life, okay, you person also life. Now you gift Adorye, do it. Nothing can happen to you. Nothing at all can happen to you. Zero. Nothing can happen to you. So please, feel free. Why? Feel free. No one should be scared. Hopeson Adorye cannot do you anything. Vote for your antisa. Please, if you are going to talk about this issue, please be gentle on my people. We are not all bad. We are very lovely people. Don't you put, am I not lovely? Please, in the comment section, if I'm lovely, say I'm lovely. Hey, we are all lovely people. West are very, very lovely people. We are very courteous people. We are very welcoming people. We are very loving people. But when you go to all regions, there are people like Hopeson Adorye who try everything possible to bring a bad name to the region. But that doesn't mean that that's how we are. Escobar, thank you so much. Dr. Quata says Volta is the peaceful region in Ghana. Thank you, Dr. Quata. We are very lovely people. So please, don't mind Hopeson Adorye, okay? Don't mind him. He does not represent our region, and we are disassociating ourselves from him. In fact, very soon, we will get some of the big shrines in Volta region, the fetish priests, to come out and openly make statements on these things, that they don't associate themselves with people and characters like Guni, you are welcome. Characters like Hopeson Adorye. So don't mind. Okay, don't mind. Let's listen to the full tape once more, then we go to
Hello.
Honorable Kingston.
Sabado.
Hello, Honorable.
Hello. Sabado.
Yeah.
That is
Morning. And we are.
near. And now we no sir, when him say me no want it and this
I saw now when the Juma ye. I wouldn't say, baby, a corner.
What's saying?
Is there Juma ye? Said I know I've been I was away. And no answer I was one of me.
Na me refa ho ben. Me a politician. Me a politician. She me this time. Let me control. Me this time. What come here? Me mama respond. Me no catch him now. Me taking it by surprise. Huh? because ye be sunsun mo adwuma. Because in some na wo keka no. Wouldn't be say enye no kre. Me ma ba be fro say me dey ndisi fo akwa ye crying. See e ba be yesi. Ye ba be yesi. Hey, Sabado.
Agrada de.
They say
agrada one say. Umudia na oga.
Odia infin class e be no kra di nkomo a. Kokwo mu a. Wa ba be jina bonche ka say mu.
Oh, na so honorable. Me no nkomo me fama wontin da na mbo.
Video now here no. Ko nesa kokko twa video do biom.
Oh, so Asem Aba say o say
what story Adorye. What dey try kokko twa video.
And I'm say Asem Aba say o so call NDC. Say we any threat. Say politics na here.
Any problem. But me say I will not come and respond to you. But I respond in my own way. Whatever happens, I don't care. Swati.
All I want to say,
Obe inherit obi enemy.
So you see, he himself accepts that Oye Samira Bawumia's enemy. He himself know. He reckons that Wejitum say Oye Samira Bawumia's enemy. Now you want to go and greet your enemy. You want to go and shake hands with your enemy. I don't know about them. Your enemy. You see, be your enemy. When who know event as here, you see by force on chow.
Yeah, and family. Politics in our year, you know. Yet the adrenaline answer the you. Yet the adrenaline answer. Samira, Ghana Jollof would be matemwa. Was he page no suit here?
Oh, boy, I don't know who's Samira's our page.
Can you believe this? Hopeson Adorye knew. Anopa we are no friend Sabato. Anopa we are no friend Sabato. And me one na me say, I me phone kana me dey live. Sabato send me forward the voice to me say or see Samira Bawumia no or that yes enti Samira Bawumia was TikTok. Enti Ghana Jollof or Sunny live anopa. No, ya Hopeson Adorye, Samira Bawumia wo ho do you believe that a human being can be obsessed with another person to this extent? Say Samira say Ghana Jollof no ya or no Hopeson Adorye ya Samira Bawumia wo ho Can you imagine this? The chick of it.
Politics na ye no. Ye the adrenaline answer the you. Yet I can any answer. Samira, Ghana Jollof would be matemwa. Was he page no suit here?
Can you imagine this? Dr. Quata says that maybe Samira Bawumia calls him before going on. Escobar says, and so what? It was about Hopeson Adorye knew. Oh, well, as a health worker, I can see what is at play here. Yes, I can see that. Oh, say there, you can tell, say, way there, akakakra. But I mean, since he doesn't want to accept, say, maybe or area, let's just take, say, or you're saying he's okay in his mind and look at what he's saying.
Yet you actually any answer.
Obia o nyansa neka say, Obia o nyansa no, on neka say, ya, se Ghana Jollof Sunny live na oji ya onu Hopeson Adorye, Samira Bawumia to me sorry no pa, no so Sunny so ofani phone na oti. Now, let's even agree, say, let's even assume, let's assume that whenever Ghana Jollof is live, yeah, Mami Samira Bawumia is also listening, no, and today. And then Samira Bawumia no share Ghana Jollof so. Does Samira Bawumia look after Ghana Jollof? Because Asem Aba. Let's finish listening to
Ghana Jollof would. Yeah.
Oh, boy, I don't know who's Samira's our page.
Yes, me Jimmy Fozana. Me your politics now, whatever. Please.
Who's Samira Ghana Jollof platform?
Oh, please. Jania will be service.
Ghana Jollof, I do want to
Media, make a choice, they say. I will not come out and respond to you, but I'm going to respond in my special way.
Oh, I know, yeah, sir. So
that was the call. I'm not part where Hopeson Adorye say anything honorable because there's nothing honorable about what he does. I'm not part where Hopeson Adorye offers Yenua Sabato or threatening. So all I'm saying is, Sabato, please don't be scared. Don't be scared. Upe kura Bravota region. Ya kwanchirama and nenya more confidence. But kwanchire bia ne ho ebru that is bigger than God, Jesus Christ. So the moment you know say dia way right, please feel free. Now let's listen to some of the revelations of Sabato earlier today about Hopeson Adorye.
at nuwani nawa. Oni sawa broni hotel mu kwada na ukani nyina kire me. Enso egu akufo ni masesa akufo ena ne sawa broni ada. Hopeson e kwa ma sawa broni kwa na nadu nchen e ma na nadu dan kwa akufo reject wo. Ena ma musa akufo onye bone. Ka oni se oba ne nchen no, odi ababa wa bi, odi kofo bi ba ne nchen ama wo nya problem. Ama mo be fan information ho. Meanwhile, una wodi wo mu twe. Hopeson brabo ante baba mi dua se one can tell that says a wabro una na wudi ne twe. Also wo yere ya we. Wa ka kire wo pa were cho. Hopeson se wabro ni ayakufo de ne edi ne twe. Enso wo ma Ghana fo nyina akufo do en wodi se wabro.
So you see, when an old man, Papa Penny, on Buni Hua, this is what comes out of it. When an old man does not respect himself, an old man behaves and speaks like a kid, these are the kind of things that come out. Anka, unu will be koda. And ya sema, ya dia I say, like we should even hear about. Because there, we have people have already blamed Akufo-Addo for all those things. But you have given people the confidence now to come and talk to you anyhow, to come and reveal your secrets. Because you have touched somebody that they love. And let me tell you, people indeed love Samira Bawumia. People love Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. If not for nothing, 4 million people woke up from their house and went to vote for MPP.